Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Jeff with the Collector Car Network. That's AutoHunter.com, ClassicCars.com, and The Journal. And today we're here with Barrrett-Jackson for 2022 Las Vegas auctions. We're going to be taking a look at this awesome 2020 Chevrolet Camaro COPO. Now this car is awesome because obviously it pays tribute to the original cars back from the late 60s there. And this is a really interesting one. This car is not essentially a sell car. This is a show car. So this was built by Chevrolet to be taken to various Chevy events around the country and things like that. And this one in particular was never raced or anything like that. It was only driven off and on the trailer as they took it to the various events. Now these COPO cars can come in a bunch of different colors, specifically only 4 that I know of. So this phantom green that you see on this car here is not something you can order these cars with. But what you can order it with is this engine here. So this engine is one of 3 engines available for the COPO. This is an LSX-based Chevy 350 with a Magnuson 2.65 liter supercharger sitting on top, putting out roughly 580 horsepower. Now, you can also get some other options, including a naturally aspirated 427, which is more similar to the ZL1 COPO cars from back in the day. Now, these are obviously not street legal. These are fully built and expected to be drag raced. These cars have all sorts of other options, like wheelie wheels. They obviously come with a full cage, and you can see here that this car is sitting on some Weld Racing wheels with Hoosier tires, and obviously running slicks in the back. So as we start moving through here, you can see there's a nice COPO badge. So these are obviously a bit more flashy than the original COPO cars would have been. It does have a 3-speed automatic transmission inside there with that Hurst shifter, and it still has a black interior, which is again a really nice homage to the original COPO cars. As we start coming back, this car does have the Heritage package, so it's got some other pieces on it, include some other special logos and liveries with the stripes and things like that. And then here towards the back, we have some more options with the car, including the parachute and the wheelie bar that I was talking about earlier. Now this car looks really nice. I really like the paint and everything as well. It's even got some options that are specific to some of the drag cars, including like the emergency push-off button for the car as well. Just giving a look at these 2020 COPO cars, which is probably something that you didn't know you could even order. If you were interested in getting a COPO car for yourself, one of the things that you'd have to do is you have to go to Chevy's website. You'd have to download a COPO order form. You go ahead and submit that COPO order form to Chevy, then they'll reach out to you with the sort of instructions and make sure they get the order and everything sort of solidified at the end there. So it's just a really interesting process, but it is cool to see that Chevy is paying homage to the racing heritage of the past, even if the original COPO cars were a little bit of a loophole to get one of those ordered. So with that, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, if you could throw us a like, we'd really appreciate it. And make sure you get subscribed so you don't miss more content like this in the future. If you're interested in purchasing a collector vehicle for yourself, be sure to check out our online auction, AutoHunter.com, or check out our classified marketplace, ClassicCars.com, which has over 35,000 vehicles currently live on the site. With that, thanks so much for watching.